The trial against the three accused in the 2020 theft at President Cyril Ramaphosa's farm has been set down for the 19th of May in the Modimole Regional Court in Limpopo. The three appeared for a pre-trial hearing today. Emmanuel David and siblings Phala and Dilinasho Joseph allegedly broke into the president's farm and stole about $580,000. The incident happened in September of 2020. The Joseph siblings have been out on bail while David has been denied bail. The state has indicated that it has lined up 23 witnesses. All right, for more on this, we're joined by SABC News reporter Katlego Nyoni. Good afternoon, Katlego. So the trial date has been set for the 19th of May next year. This is exactly when it will commence. Just talk us through today's proceedings.
Indeed, that trial date has been set. We saw that when the matter resumed at the Modimole Regional Court today after it was postponed in October. We had both the state as well as the defense indicating their readiness to continue with the trial, which has been set for the 19th of May. Now, it will run in dates that have been staggered in unique ways that will accommodate both the defense as well as the state. Now, it will likely run from the 19th up until the 29th of May at the same court at the Modimole Regional Court, with the possibility of continuing into the first week of June. Now, this depends on the number of witnesses that will be brought in. The state indicating, Katlego Nyoni indicating there that they will bring 23 witnesses, and amongst those 23 witnesses, the only witness that will be of a technical nature will entail cell phone mapping. The defense indicating inside the courtroom that was semi-packed that they will only bring 3 additional new witnesses, including the 2 co-accused. This will bring the overall number of witnesses from the defense side to 5. Now, we anticipate that proceedings will start at the Modimole Regional Court when the trial starts, as it was set inside that particular regional court. The pre-trial conference in itself, Mfundo, lasted for about half an hour. It was not that lengthy, as both sides agreed that it should continue on the 19th of May next year. We saw when it started, the 3 accused, Phala, Joseph, as well as Dilinasho Joseph, who are siblings, as well as the alleged mastermind behind the housebreaking at Phala Phala farm, that is Emmanuel David, appearing inside court. The 2 siblings had covered their faces, and it was not the case for David, who showed his face to those who were in attendance. It was semi-packed, as I've indicated. Now, the 3 will return to the Modimole Regional Court next year. Perhaps what is interesting is also to note that another man that was linked, or that is linked rather, to the Phala Phala housebreaking case and conspiracy thereof to commit housebreaking with intent to steal and theft, that is Abonos Shomboska, was arrested in a separate matter in Cape Town, and he was sentenced to an effective 20 years. So the dynamics will unfold as the trial continues on the 19th of May next year in 2025, Mfundo.
Perhaps let's just zoom in on David here and the charges that he faced, because he has additional charges of money laundering that he's facing.
Well, certainly, then, Mfundo, we know that following the arrest of these 3 individuals, and the matter appeared before the Bela Bela Magistrate Court. It was then moved to a higher court in Modimole. And during these proceedings, it is when that we found that Emmanuel David himself, as the alleged mastermind behind the housebreaking, was denied bail for fear that he might evade justice. And the 2 siblings were granted bail between of 5,000 as well as 10,000 rand respectively. And these are some of the dynamics that we will likely hear when the matter resumes next year for trial, for the start of trial in May at the same court next year, Mfundo.
All right, Katlego, thank you very much for that update. That's SABC News reporter Katlego Nyoni, who's been monitoring the Phala Phala theft case for us.